How to fix disabled PrizePicks account. If you want to fix disabled account on PrizePicks, it's fairly simple to do so. But before we get started, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix disabled PrizePicks account, so maybe you have your account, we first have to understand why this happens in the first place. Now, if your account has been disabled, check to make sure that you are in a location where PrizePicks operate. Then ensure that your location services in your phone settings are turned on. Once you've completed both steps listed above, please fully close and reopen your app. So you should definitely try that once. Second is that your account could have been deactivated or disabled due to violation of the PrizePicks Code of Conduct. As you can see here, it says. So if you are sure that you have not violated any code of conduct, you can contact support if you believe your account has been deactivated by mistake. So to contact support, you go to prizepicks.com/help center. So help-center, right? So when you're here under help center of PrizePicks, you can see the option called live support. Click on the live support button and just click on chat now. A live representative is going to get in touch with you. Let them know that you have not violated any code of conduct, but still your account has been disabled for no foreseeable reason. And in that case, maybe the customer agent will help you recover your account back. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.